Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete your Qwen 2.5 account on your phone. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and log in to your Qwen 2.5 account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Here you will be seeing many options. Simply slide right and you'll be seeing account option. Tap on it. You'll be seeing delete account at the very end. Simply tap on delete account and tap on confirm. And that's it. Now you have removed any traces of Qwen 2.5 from your phone, whether it was saved login information, browsing history, or a home screen shortcut. It's that simple. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.